Hey there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project features new products from the Stampin' Up mini catalogue that runs from January to June 2021. It's one of these cute little matchboxes, and it just uses a half a piece of 6x6 designer series paper. Now the catalogue is available now, and if you come towards the back of the catalogue, it's where it's got all the bundles put together. So what I'm using today is actually on page, keep going, where the punches are, on page 82, and we're going to be using the Sweet Strawberry bundle. It features a stamp set and the Strawberry Builder punch, and it's on page, what page is it on? Page 44 of the catalogue. Let's have a little look here. There it is. There it is right there. Oops. So that's the stamp set right there, and this amazing punch which has a strawberry, a flower, the little topper for the strawberry, and a cute, very cute little leaf, and a very cute little daisy flower. It's really a cute stamp set. So I'm going to show you how I made this little matchbox, and also it features a free item today. So whilst we have our promotion called Celebration running, which runs through to the end of February 2021, if you spend more than $90 Australian on any products from any of the catalogues, the mini catalogue, the annual catalogue, or even clearance lines, you can earn free products from the Celebration catalogue, and that's this little one here. And the free item that I'm using today is actually this Oh So Ombre designer series paper. There's 48 sheets, and it is they're 6x6, and they are very nice papers. Here they are here. That now they're plastic. All different ombre colours, dots and circles and planes. Really lovely colours, and they are Bermuda Bay and Blackberry Bliss and Granny Apple Green. They are really lovely. So let me show you how I made these. I'm just using one piece of the cardstock, and as you can see, you can make two out of one. So one side is Rococo Rose and the other side is Bermuda Bay. So I did one of each when I made them. These are great if you've got to make multiple little gift boxes. They are fabulous. And you'll probably fit a little, couple of little chocolate mints in there, or you could even put a small sewing kit in there if you wanted to give someone a little sewing kit. But like I say, they are only little, but they are very cute. So I'm going to bring in my trimmer, and make sure you've got, I'm going to cut the paper down to 3 inches. Now put that blade out of the way, so make sure you've only got your scoring one here. So on this portrait side, you are going to score at 2.5, is that right? 2.5 inches. Yep, 2.5 inches. And then turn it and score again. It's 2.5 inches. This is on the portrait side. Now turn your paper around to the landscape side, and you're going to score at 2 inches. Come along now and score at 2.5, 4.5, and 5. And I will write all of those dimensions in the description bar of the video below. So pop that out of the way, and then bring in your bone folder and score all of those fold on all those score lines, I should say. I'm going to use the Rococo Rose side. Go, and that one. Now there are two ends here. There's the narrower end and the wider end. So on the end that has the smallest gap, so this one down here. Grab your scissors and you're going to cut all the way up to that second score line. So cut the score line off right here to there, and over again to here, and to there. Oops. Can't see where my score line is. There it is. Oops, what have I done? Here it is. I could not see this, and I'm just going to notch them ever so slightly. Right, and then down here you're going to cut these little ones here. So you've cut those two away from the shorter end. Now you're going to cut up here, just cut up the side of the score to that middle score line, back to here, over to here. That's it, and that's all the cutting done. So basically this folds, these fold up here, and then this folds over to here, whoops, to there, and that's it. But before we do that, I'm going to round these top pieces with my corner rounder punch. You don't have to do this bit. I just like the finish that it gives, but it's up to you. Yeah, let's put it together. So we're going to put some tape. The inside of the box fakes new, we're going to put tape on those two little bits, and because this is the bit that's going to attach here, we're going to put tape on that inside. So I'm going to use my, you can use tear and tape, you can use liquid glue. I'm just going to use my Stampin' Seal. As it was right next to me. It doesn't want to work right now. Here we go. Oh. Here we go. Now we're right. Just did not want to work for me then. And on here. Okay. So fold that little tab in. And the side one comes over. And then this one comes up and then over. And they are very, very, very easy to make. And that's it, it's made. And then that sits over here like that. Whoops. There you go. That one comes over there. And that's it, it's made. Now to close it, I have punched out a little one of the strawberries. Now this stamp is a photopolymer and it's a two-step. So I've already stamped both of these in Rococo Rose. So let me show you where I've put it. So I've already stamped it here. And I'm just going to bring in my punch and punch out that strawberry. Go. It's a strawberry, and I'm going to just there is a stamp for that little cute little top piece of the strawberry, but I'm going to just punch it out today with my Granny Apple Green cardstock, and with a glue dot I will attach it. Put that on there. Put it on there straight. There we go. Now I'm going to attach that with some tape, some snail, or sorry, not snail, Stampin' Seal, just on the top piece of it, just so it sits on that little flap there. Now, if you had some little mini magnets, you could actually close it with a little mini magnet if you wanted to, but once we put the ribbon on there, it'll stay shut. So I'm using, this is the Crinkle Whisper White crinkle ribbon, and I reckon that's probably enough. I'm doing it on the side just for something different. Oh, does not want to tie today. Here we go. Here we go. So just bring that over there. There we are. So there's my ribbon, my bow. Just fix that up. Let's put that underneath it. I am all fingers today, let me tell you. Here we go. That did not want to work today, did it? Now the ribbon's coming off. Oy. I feel like I need to start that again. I don't think I want to put you through that again. The ribbon just ties around there. But my favourite little piece here is actually these little hearts. Now they are also in this December to January catalogue, and they are resin hearts, and oh, they are so cute. They are real red and white, and I think I might be using these on every single project I make. They're so little and just adorable. Ah dear, I could not get that ribbon to go on today, could I? This was not happening. I'm going to put a white one there, and these are only little. I didn't want to stay right there either. I'll put that there. So there we are. It's a cute little matchbox made with the sweet strawberry bundle. If you buy the purchase the stamp set and the bundle together and the punch together, you will save 10%. It's in the January to June mini catalogue. There's the ones I made with the ribbon, and here was the one I attempted to make now with the ribbon, but it just wasn't going to happen. I think you know where I was going with it. I've put a link to my website in the description bar below, and I also have put the dimensions for the little box as well. So if you live in Australia and you don't currently have a Stampin' Up demonstrator and you'd like a copy of the Celebration and the mini catalogue, please let me know by emailing me, stampingmary, that's MERRY @gmail.com, or you can click on the contact me page of my Stampin' Up website, stampingmary.stampinup.net, and request a catalogue there. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.